Experienced Miami boat accident lawyer. Charlip Law Group L.C. Miami boat accident lawyers. Experienced Miami boat accident lawyer. Charlip Law Group L.C. Miami is a popular destination for boating. The perfect conditions for boating are often found in the open waters and great weather of the city. While recreational boating or water sports can be enjoyable, serious injuries may occur due to the overcrowding of waterways and negligent boat operators. Boat accidents are not uncommon in Miami. Miami is home to more boat-related accidents than any other city in the United States. Contact us today at 305-354-9313 to arrange a free consultation with one of our Miami boat accident attorneys. The Limitation of Liability Act. The Limitation of Liability Act of 1851 states that a boat owner may file a suit to reduce their liability for an accident up to the vessel's value. This means that if the boat has little to no value and causes the accident, the owner may owe little to nothing to anyone who is injured in the accident. The Limitation Act, which was enacted by Congress in 1851, protects American shipowners from losing their fortunes due to injuries claims. The boat owner will not be liable for any personal injuries or losses sustained by crew members or passengers on board a vessel if an accident such as the following happens. Personal injuries and death. Sinking. Fire. Damaged or lost cargo. Collisions. Common boat accidents in Miami. Florida is one of the most accident-prone states in the United States when it comes to boating. The has at least twice the number of accidents as the next state on the list. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission's Division of Law Enforcement regulates Florida's boaters and waterways the same way as local police departments regulate motor vehicles and roads. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservative Commission's Division of Law Enforcement creates an annual report on boating accidents which includes the total number of reported boating accidents in Florida each year. Some of the most common types of boating accidents include collision with submerged or other vessels, towable device mishaps, falling into or overboard from a vessel, capsizing, sinking, or running aground, explosions and fires, being struck by a boat or propeller, carbon monoxide poisoning. Common causes of boating accidents. The state of Florida has more boat-related accidents than any other state in the nation. These accidents are most common in the city of Miami. 10% of the boating-related accidents in Florida in 2017 happened in Miami. The most frequent causes of boating accidents in Miami include operator inexperience. A boat accident is more common when an operator has little to no experience. Inexperienced boat operators account for 17% of all Miami's boating accidents. Florida does not require that you have a boating permit. Most people simply need to take a course in boating and get a boating ID card. Simply obtaining a training course can lead to a situation in which many people go out on the water without really understanding what's happening. Unsafe operation. Many boat accidents are caused by reckless operation. 1 out of 4 boat crashes in Miami is caused by reckless and careless behavior. Overcrowded waters. Miami is an attractive place to go on the open waters. Sometimes, its popularity poses a danger to safety. There is less room for navigation, increasing the likelihood of collisions. Congested and overcrowded waterways are responsible for at least 1 boating collision every year. Operator negligence. Boat accidents can also be caused by negligent boaters. Negligence can lead to accidents even for the most skilled boaters. Operator negligence is responsible for more than 22% of the Miami boat accident deaths. Defective equipment. Sometimes, a malfunctioning or defective piece of equipment can cause serious accidents on the water. About 7% of boat accident deaths in Miami are caused by machinery defects and failure. Boating while intoxicated. It is illegal to use a boat on the Miami coast if you are under the influence or on drugs. However, these situations still happen. About 3% of Miami's boat accidents involve an operator who is drunk. Different types of Miami boating accident injuries. Boat operators, passengers, and others can suffer severe injuries in accidents involving boats. Because boats usually move at high speeds, passengers can be more at risk of injuries as they do not have the same safety features cars have, such as airbags or seatbelts. The following are some of the most frequent injuries from boat and watercraft crashes. Amputations. Damages a person can recover from a boat accident injury claim. A boating accident victim in Florida can recover financial damages from the responsible party, just as with any other type of personal injury case. The amount you are able to recover depends on many factors, including how serious your injuries were, whether there is insurance, what caused the accident, the extent of damage done, medical costs incurred, and loss of earning ability. Damages are the legal name for the amount of money that you will receive following an accident. You should be financially compensated for your damages. Economic damages include future and past medical costs, loss of wages, loss of earning potential, physical therapy, rehabilitation, property damage. Non-economic damages include pain and suffering, mental anguish, disfigurement or physical scarring, depression and anxiety, PTSD, wrongful death following a boating accident. Because most boating fatalities can be avoided, they are particularly tragic when they happen. If a negligent boater causes the death of another person following a boat accident, they may face liabilities for wrongful death damages. Statute of limitation for a boating accident. Personal injury cases are subject to strict limitations under Florida law. You have very limited time to seek compensation for your Miami boat accident. Your personal injury case must be filed within 4 years of the boating accident. If your claim is not filed within 4 years, you will not be eligible to receive the funds to that you are entitled to. The importance of having an attorney. An experienced boat accident lawyer will help you strengthen your case and ensure that all deadlines are met. They also take care of any legal paperwork. If you or your loved ones were hurt while on a boat, while swimming, diving, or fishing in Miami, having a skilled Miami boating accident attorney may be able to help you seek compensation for your injuries.